An earthquake is always cause for concern. At the first sign of one, scientists begin to collect as much data as they can. How do they do it? When an earthquake strikes, it sends out a pattern of shock waves. These waves, called seismic waves, move outward like ripples in a pond. Scientists use instruments that measure seismic waves. Within minutes, they know when an earthquake has released its lethal power. They also know exactly which areas are being affected by this deadly force. However, for many years, it was impossible to evaluate the power of an earthquake. Scientists had long tried, but their findings were inadequate. Without enough necessary information, their instruments could not be trusted. Then, in 1935, Charles Richter announced the development of the Richter scale. The accuracy of this scale is absolute, always giving exact and true measurements. Richter was immediately recognized as an important contributor to the field of earthquake science. Richter's scale is based on the movements of the earth. Special instruments measure ground motion. Then this information is used to compute a number. Each earthquake is given a number from 1 to 10 on the Richter scale. The number represents the severity of the quake. A Richter number of more than 5 means a serious quake. Earthquakes measuring a 7 or above on the scale can cause a great deal of damage. They can devastate an area. Scientists cannot avert or prevent earthquakes, but they can anticipate when and where earthquakes might occur. For example, they have learned that when seismic waves sent out by large numbers of very small earthquakes start to slow down, a large earthquake may be about to take place. With this information, scientists can then warn people in the threatened areas. Warnings provided by the Richter scale can help to save lives and to prevent some kinds of damage from occurring. In this way, Charles Richter's contribution was an important step in giving people some defense against earthquakes.